channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys something that I'm very passionate about, something that I advocate strongly for, and that is sweatpants. I love sweatpants. I live in sweatpants. I wear them literally every day, and I have just been loving lounging in them throughout the whole winter and styling them. So I figured I would compile very basic tips on how to style sweatpants. Honestly, not that complicated, but these tips will really help you elevate your sweatpant game. Very basic, very easy steps on how to style sweatpants. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into how I style sweatpants. Alright, so the first way that I like to style sweatpants is by putting them together with a matching hoodie. It doesn't have to be like a set that you buy together, but just a hoodie that matches, and then kind of throwing on different coats to achieve different types of looks. I feel like that's the easiest way to style sweatpants. You're literally just rotating coats, and you're not necessarily having to have multiple sweatpants. So for example, in this case, I'm going to be styling black matching monochromatic sweatpants with a sweatshirt. And the first way that I like to style it is a very casual way. So I just throw on this long puffer jacket. So I feel like the contrast between the neutral puffer and the black top and bottom is just perfect. This outfit is usually something that I would wear to like walk Dakota or do a quick errand, because it's very casual, very comfortable with just some sneakers. Or if you want to be a little bit more fashionable, you can throw on a trench coat. I feel like a trench coat really brings to life any outfit. In this case, you can take literally like just this basic sweatshirt and sweatpant, and you can bring it to life by throwing on a trench coat. It just looks so much more casual, so much more like you actually tried. And then the last way that I would style this monochromatic top and bottom is with a blazer. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking like blazers and sweatpants don't belong together, but I'm telling you, they look really good. It's like that very casual street style. I just love it, honestly. It has to be the right type of blazer though. I feel like it shouldn't be like super fitted. I think it should be very loose, very oversized, so that it looks very effortless and casual. So in this case, again, I'm using a very neutral color because I feel like neutral with dark colors really complement each other. I paired this top and bottom with just a very beige, neutral, oversized blazer and then some Vans. This is definitely something that I would wear like to the office on a Friday, like super casual. Can't even really tell you're wearing sweatpants because the blazer just makes the whole look super casual and very like stylish. So yeah, that's probably like the easiest way to style sweatpants is get a monochromatic set, whether it's black, gray, a light beige, or any color that you like, and then just invest in staple jackets or trench coats or blazers, something that could give versatility to your outfit. This next way of styling sweatpants is sort of similar to what I already touched on, but there's a key detail in this outfit that really makes a difference. So it's basically the outfit that I'm wearing right now. It is some gray joggers with a one-shouldered crop top and a shacket. Now shackets are really in season right now because they're very stylish, they're very comfortable, and they keep you very warm throughout the winter. But I feel like what really makes this outfit a very fashionable, stylish outfit is the one-shouldered crop top, because I feel like this is a very like effortless look. It looks like you were wearing something super basic under with just like a crop top, and then you just threw on a shacket to kind of pull the look together. I feel like this is a great way to style sweatpants. Again, if you have basic crop tops and basic joggers, all you need is a shacket to throw on, and then it pulls the look together. This is probably my favorite way to style sweatpants. I know I keep saying that, but literally this is my favorite way because it is just so effortless. I feel like styling sweatpants honestly is just about the way that you combine basic pieces with also staple pieces like sweaters and jackets. So the last way that I like to style sweatpants is by layering. And again, I'm kind of touching on styles and ways to style. I don't want to show you guys like every outfit that I've ever combined with sweatpants because we would be here forever. I kind of just want to share like different tactics. So first tactic was monochromatic, something that's very basic, and then you kind of layer it with jackets, sweaters, blazers. The second way is taking a very basic crop top and then throwing on a shacket over it. And the last way is layer. Literally layering tops will make a basic jogger look so good and so like fashionable. So in this case, I'm taking again the same gray basic joggers, but I'm pairing it with a hoodie. I actually cropped this hoodie. I kind of just scrunched it under my bra. Then I threw on a corduroy jacket, which I left open, unbuttoned, to kind of give it like that effortless look. And lastly, I layered a large, oversized plaid trench coat. So I don't know, something about layers, something about like having a ton of layers in the winter with a pair of sweats just makes the look so fashionable. I feel like this outfit is a perfect way to stay warm during the winter but still look fashionable, because you have a ton of pieces that are very staple. Like the plaid looks super like sophisticated and fashionable, and then you have the hoodie sticking out, which I feel like is just like the perfect way to layer, is with a hoodie sticking out from whatever you put on top. I love that look. Something about it, I don't know, it just makes me warm. I kind of wanted to compile different ways to style sweatpants, because I have literally been wearing sweatpants all winter long. Even I feel like through the summer I've been wearing sweatpants, just obviously styling it differently. But sweatpants are like that one thing in your closet that you could really style with so many different pieces, so many different staple pieces. So wanted to share with you guys how I've been doing it so far. That is basically how I style my sweatpants and my joggers. It's honestly very simple, very basic. These tools will kind of just help you really elevate your sweatpant game. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.